hair loss expert Sara Allison is here to help you with all your hair loss queries. And we had a tweet from Gary and a picture as well. He says he's been losing his hair since his late teens, doesn't like it. He's 39 now. Can he do anything about it?
Since his late teens, 39.
So it's 20 years of losing it.
Wow, that's a lot. Yes, it's better to start early. So as soon as you start losing your hair, that's the best time to really do something about it. It's much easier to hold on to what you've got than to try to regrow something once you've lost it. But obviously, again, I can't really give him a diagnosis.
He looks like he's lost the majority of the hair. Well, we just saw a picture there. Sorry, it was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, right. So he has lost a lot, hasn't he? Yeah. I mean, that looks like, unfortunately, that he's probably not going to regain any of that. Probably the best option there might be hair transplant surgery, but I think he's probably still too advanced for that, really. So
the moral there is, I guess, if there's somebody else watching, if it's starting, get on with it as quick as possible.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, Gary.